uyamenza into zakhe asifane abantu umnyaka uconsultant nesambulo even nomprofeti nawo sebenza izinto ezizango bayizango. You go out to the long marital just to pray through the options you are nice something to come and say this would never doesn't have feel plastic in that, but everybody is not too now. We are going to share us over for the bank. We are going to into zilezwa ukuphakanyiswa noma babili izukuthwana noma bethini emandulo ngakanye zasiko Saul babesiya Samuel according to the thesis of the Bible. David babesiya Samuel bafuna amandla baze ba-abuse babulala abantu uthole sokuthula abalandeli kuthiwa uSaul ubulala umamakhulu nje uDavid wabulala inkulungwane zenkulungwane bengakhulumi ngey'nkukhu bengakhulumi ngey'mbuzi namagusha bekhuluma ngamandla ababewafuna but at the end of the day abe abused uyayazi phaa. Imagine ukuthi bonke abantu Mugabe ngendlela ayepower mongering ngayo. If waphila ngesikhathi sikaSamuel wayezoluyambile ukufuna amandla umama o-Idi Amin ayezoluyambile ukufuna amandla umama. It is power. My point is not politics. Ipoint yami ukuthi awukho wrong uma usukuma uyofuna ukuthi uvuselele imoya yakho ukhanyiswe izinto kanti abantu abangazenzi lezi zinto ngibabonile mina efika sume phansi kwelekuyika uyelwa hey nami uyabatshazwa emhlabeni wakubo la awakhona shaka umkhono vele uqhamuke kuze kululeke i-backbone iluleke ibendiwe ngaphuma into emhlophe phakathi. Ingoba akazange wazenza izinto ezindlela abanye umuntu uphila impilo yakhe iziphelele endleleni ama-efforts imizamo oyifakayo nezinto ozenzayo zihlala zinkulu kodwa ayikho into i-achivayo kuze kuphela isikhathi kungaba ngakho okwenzile vele impilo iyaphela njengoba siphila nje we need blessing against time. If izinto zingenzeki manje siyaphuka sibele singasenamandla yokugijima awukwazi ukuqala ngeni complex marathon uphethe uDondo. We're going to go on